If you want to block someone on Hopper, follow these simple steps to ensure your experience is safe and enjoyable. Blocking someone can help you manage your interactions effectively. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to your Matches. Navigate to the Matches section of the app. This is where you can see all the users you have interacted with or matched with. Step 3. Select the user. Find the user you want to block in your Matches list. Tap on their profile to view more details about them. Step 4. Access profile options. Once you are on the user's profile, look for the Options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon, depending on the app version. Step 5. Block the user. In the Options menu, select the Block option. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the user is blocked from contacting you. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Hopper and maintain a more comfortable experience. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.